is our latest project from Azad 4-wheel drive. As you can see by the number plate, we've done it for a Punjab customer. He's come over and yeah, we were really excited about his project. What we've done with this car and the whole project is entirely made of FRP. It has built in it an aluminium mesh. Along with it, we have some fog lamps, 3 inches. Here we have an ABS injection molded grille. The paint code is exactly matched as per the vehicle's paint code. So in the center, we've also added these add-on billets, which you can get customized as per your color. So we've also painted this inner ring as per the customer's specific requirements. And this grille is exactly, the dimensions are fit perfectly for the Thar vehicle. It's basically taken from an injection molded mold. Had a fitting of headlamps, triangular OEM headlamps. These headlamps are 75 watts. They have a really good flow and they aid your visibility better when you're driving. The existing stock headlamps Thar is fully replaced, and there's plus we advise that get bulb replacements or some sort of a headlamp change. A specific customer wanted a replacement as a Wrangler. Hence we got these options. Here we have the door hinge side stepper for the Thar. Helps you access the roof. Also adds to this certain piece is made from mild steel, powder coated. Comes in 3 color options: red, black. If you come closer, I'll also show you these grab handles. These are wild boar grab handles that we fitted onto the A and B pillar. These grab handles aid your getting into the vehicle, especially for shorter people. We've also added these baby armrests to aid your driving comfort. We highly recommend getting some sort of a front armrest on your Thar. Can be a pain in long distances. Tires and wheels. So our customer already had his 85, 50, 20 tires installed on the vehicle with his alloys. But one where we've added some value is we've given them ProMan 2 inches are fitted on all 4 tires. Greatly add to the aesthetics and also reduce body roll. Here is another addition we've done to this vehicle. We've given a 2-fold system for these rear seats. So what that does is it gives you a nice luggage space and extra storage. If you have a pet or if you want to store something, you can easily do it on this side of the vehicle. So it is highly recommended, especially for a 5-door vehicle. There's no luggage space and pretty simple fitting. We add hinges at the front and then present it in such a way where it gets a double seat.